Welcome to Carpedia, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. Get ready to rev your engines and embark on an exhilarating journey through the exciting and ever-evolving world of cars. Introducing the 2025 Infiniti QX80, the pinnacle of luxury and performance in the full-size EUE segment, where adventure meets refinement and capability meets unparalleled comfort. The redesigned exterior of the QX80 boasts a bold and confident presence. The signature Infiniti grille dominates the front fascia, flanked by sleek LED headlights that pierce through the night. The sculpted lines along the body create a sense of power and dynamism, while the available 22-inch wheels add a touch of aggressive sophistication. Interior: step inside the sanctuary of the QX80's cabin and experience a world of unparalleled luxury. Plush leather seats embrace you in comfort, while genuine wood trim and soft-touch materials create an atmosphere of sophistication. The spacious interior offers ample legroom and headroom for all passengers, making even the longest journeys a delight. Don't be fooled by its size. The QX80 is surprisingly nimble and maneuverable. The advanced all-wheel drive system with intelligent terrain management ensures confident handling in any condition, while the powerful engine delivers effortless acceleration and passing power. Navigate city streets with ease or embark on off-road adventures with unwavering capability. Whether you're hauling a boat for a weekend getaway or a trailer full of supplies for a DIY project, the QX80 has the muscle to get the job done. With its best-in-class towing capacity, you can conquer any challenge with confidence. Peace of mind comes standard with the QX80's suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Automatic emergency braking helps you avoid collisions, while lane departure warning keeps you centered in your lane. Blind spot monitoring ensures you can change lanes safely, and a host of other features provide a 360-degree view of your surroundings. After a long day of adventure, retreat to the tranquility of the QX80's cabin. Gaze at the stars through the expansive panoramic sunroof, or simply unwind in the serene atmosphere. The QX80 is more than just a vehicle, it's a sanctuary for relaxation and rejuvenation. The 2025 Infiniti QX80 is the ultimate expression of luxury, performance, and versatility. It's the perfect companion for your everyday adventures, whether you're conquering the city streets, exploring the great outdoors, or embarking on unforgettable road trips. Thanks for watching my video. We hope you enjoyed the journey through the world of cars with us. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a pit stop on our automotive adventure. Keep those engines roaring, and we'll see you on the next episode of Carpedia. Until then, stay safe, stay tuned, and keep cruising.